How to add people to your Twitter circle. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily add people to your Twitter circle on the Twitter app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So open your Twitter app and now go to your profile in the top left corner. Now here you will see Twitter circle. Tap on it. And here you will see your Twitter circle, and besides it in the recommended you will see here all the followers that follows you and the add button in the right. If you tap on add, they will be added to your Twitter circle, but if you want to add other persons that don't follow you, you can tap on the search bar and search for their name. So like for example, if I want to add another person, I will search for their name and then here tap on add. Now that account is added in my Twitter circle. So this is how you can add people to your Twitter circle. Thanks for watching.